Now, if he is worried about safety, efficacy, and quality, or safety, identity, strength, purity, and quality, now what could possibly compromise it? There are only four things. And when the regulator comes, he is essentially looking for reassurance on those four counts. Now, what are those four counts? C, G, M, P. These four letters of the alphabet represent his areas of concern. Not CGMP as in current good manufacturing practice. No. Current good manufacturing practice is meant to help you, is meant to protect the patient, is meant to protect your product. No. These CGMP refer to the four areas of his concern, and I'll tell you what they are. The first C is contamination. Contamination that could compromise the purity of your product. Contamination that could place the patient at risk. G and M refer to human errors, two special kinds of human errors. G stands for goof-ups. Doing something you're not supposed to do, not doing something you're supposed to do. M stands for mix-ups. Putting a hypoglycemic tablet into a hypotensive pack, putting a hypotensive tablet into a hypoglycemic pack. These are cases of mix-ups. This can come only from human beings. If you have everything else in a state of control, the only thing that jeopardizes the product or process or the patient are the humans. Either they have a goof-up or there is a mix-up. And finally, P. P stands for the process. He is extremely concerned about your process. Is it robust? Is it consistent? Is it reproducible? Is it stable? Is it capable? These are the things that he wishes to be reassured about when he visits you on an inspection. When he is inspecting your facility, he is seeking reassurance from you about the care that you are taking, the systems that are in place to minimize or eliminate contamination, minimize or eliminate chances of human errors, either goof-ups or mix-ups, and the care that you have taken in building and maintaining a robust